Okay, so I've got a tinned iron. I've got an inline splice. I'm ready to solder. How do I do it? Remember, the only time that I apply the solder directly to the iron is when I'm tinning it. After that, I touch the iron, the wires, to the joint, let it heat up, and apply the solder to the wires. And check it out. I don't know if you can see that or not in the video, but the solder melts and runs all the way through that joint. So once again, I'm only touching the solder directly to the iron when I'm tinning it. After that, I'm touching the iron to the wire, the solder to the wire, and I'm letting the solder melt through my splice. And check it out. I've got a nice soldered, beautiful, tug test passable connection.